Hello students, welcome to BTech 360. We're doing a series of videos to help students decide on IIITs, IITs, and NITs and GFTIs. And you know that the JOSA counseling is already started. So what we're going to do now is to tell you at a category level what are the kind of cutoff that you have across IITs, NITs, IIITs, and GFTIs. And I must thank our university partner, University of Victoria, which is setting up a campus in Gurugram. It's a Australia-based university which is established in 1992 there and setting up a campus in Gurugram. It is UGC approved, Government of India approved, and we partnered with them because we both are trying to ensure that students take the most informed career choice for themselves. Now, what we're talking about here is JOSA Counseling 2026 and round 1 category-wise cutoff is what we're talking about. Let's talk of IITs. Now, IITs, of course, is JEE Advanced, you all know that. At a category level, for open category, gender neutral, at this point in time, IIT Dhanbad has Chemical Sciences 5-year program, which is ending at 16,526, which means that in any IIT at round 1 level, we're talking of JEE Advanced rank of 16,526 will get you some IIT, some program which is Chemical Science 5-year integrated Bachelor's of Science and Master's of Science program, right? And female only, when you look at that, that is 26,345. Which means if you're a girl and want to study in whichever IIT, you're likely to get into IIT Patna for BTech Metallurgical Materials. Remember, this will keep growing as you move along because by round 6, it will be a totally different picture. But what we're showing at this point in time is at the end of round 1, what exactly is happening. At EWS category, gender neutral, it's 2,431 category rank, right? Where you get IIT Dharwad, major in physics, 4-year Bachelor's of Science. EWS category, female only is 4,547. Again, IIT Dhanbad, BTech Mining Engineering and MBA in Logistics and Supply Chain Management, which is from IIM Mumbai, right? Then you have OBC NCL, gender neutral is 5,922 and female only is 10,576. The programs are engineering with chemistry is what for gender neutral, OBC NCL. We're talking of category rank. Remember that we are only talking of category rank here. And for female only, it is BS in Chemical Sciences, 4-year Bachelor of Science program at IIT Mandi. For SC category, gender neutral is 3,300 rank, where you get IIT Dhanbad, Chemical Science again, right? For SC female only, 4,661, it is IIT Jammu, Materials and Metallurgical Engineering. Then coming to ST, it is gender neutral, 1,528 rank, category rank, IIT Dhanbad again, Chemical Sciences. And ST category, female only, IIT Patna, Economics is what you get. So this is the highest closing rank at the end of round 1 for JEE Advanced for you to get into any of the IITs. Now what happens at NITs? Let's look at that also. For NITs, so we are now talking of outside home state and we're talking of JEE Main rank. Earlier it was JEE Advanced because it's IITs, now it's JEE Main. For open category gender neutral, 56,710 will get you NIT Agartala Chemistry, 5-year Bachelor's of Science and Master's of Science. It's a dual degree program, right? And for female only, it's 68,791 JEE Main rank, open category, you'll get NIT Manipur Civil Engineering. For EWS gender neutral, it's 8,521. You get NIT Agartala Chemistry 5-year BS and MS degree. For EWS female only, JEE Main and NIT 10,284. We are talking of outside the home state. Remember that outside the home state. It's 10,284. NIT Mizoram you get Civil Engineering. And this is the highest closing rank at the end of round 1. JOSA counseling is what we're talking about. OBC NCL gender neutral. 18,969 category rank, you'll get NIT Agartala Chemistry. OBC NCL female only, 23,750 JEE Main category rank, NIT Srinagar, Materials and Material Engineering is what you get. At the SC category for gender neutral, 9,165 SC category rank, you'll get NIT Agartala at Chemistry. Again, SC only, female only, 10,796, you'll get NIT Srinagar Civil Engineering. For ST, gender neutral, 3,692, you'll get SVNIT Surat, which is Physics 5-year integrated program. And for ST, it is female only, right? 4,360 category rank, you'll get NIT Agartala Production Engineering. If you carefully see this, NIT Agartala's chemistry seems to be struggling. It seems to be getting the last thing. NIT Agartala, NIT. Right? So that seems to be a common thing across all categories. And this would happen more or less same way in most of the things as you move along. But this is as far as NITs is concerned. NIT's home state, we should discuss NIT home state also. Here, of course, it will shoot up in some of the northeastern states because the population is lesser of the number of people who are actually aspirants who get into an NIT, IIT or GFTI. So, because of that, in the open category, For gender neutral, at 10,32,951 also, you could get into NIT Mizoram, Chemical Science and Technology 4-year program. And for female only, 14,97,000. I never knew that so many students actually participated in the exam also, but it's 14.97 lakh students, NIT Mizoram, Electronics and Communication Engineering for female category. Home state we're talking of, home state is what we're talking of, open category. Now EWS category rank, 1,49,283 category rank, you get NIT Puducherry Civil Engineering. For female only, 83,524 home state, NIT Agartala you get Production Engineering. This end of round 1, again I repeat, end of round 1, JEE main rank for NITs, home state. OBC NCL 5,39,090 category rank, you get NIT Mizoram Computer Science and Engineering. This is brilliant. Then for female only, 3,38,026 NIT Mizoram, you get CSE again, NIT Mizoram. For SC category, gender neutral, 1,25,625, you get NIT Arunachal Pradesh Biosciences. For SC category, female only, 45,567 category rank, you get NIT Agartala Production Engineering. For ST category, gender neutral, 35,941, you get NIT Kurukshetra Electrical Engineering. And for ST category, female only, 45,166 category rank of ST, NIT Manipur you get Electronics and Communications. Now the triple ITs. In triple ITs, gender neutral, open category, 57,305, you get triple IT Senapati Manipur, Electronics and Communication Engineering with specialization in VLSI and embedded systems. For female only, 58,970, you get triple IT Design and Manufacturing Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, Mechanical Engineering. For EWS category, gender neutral, 8,993 category rank, triple IT Senapati Manipur, Electronics and Communications. EWS category rank, female only, 9,304, triple IT Design and Manufacturing, Kanchipuram, Smart Manufacturing. These are highest closing rank after round 1. OBC NCL, gender neutral, 2346, triple IT Senapati Manipur, Electronics and Communications. OBC NCL, female only, 22,255, triple IT Bhagalpur, Mechatronics and Automation, you'll get. We talk of category ranks, remember that. Round 1, JEE main, cutoff is what we're talking of for triple ITs. SC category rank, 10,983, triple IT Senapati Manipur, Electronics and Communications. Female only, 11,493, triple IT Vadodara, Gujarat, Applied and Computational Physics. Gender neutral, 5,520, triple IT Bhopal, Physics and Computational Engineering. And female only, ST category, female only, 5,686 rank, triple IT category rank of 5,686, remember, of ST category. Applied and Computational Physics is what you get at triple IT Vadodara. Now GFTIs, the open category, JEE main rank, first round cutoff, open category, 96,677 category rank, you get Institute of Engineering and Technology, Dr. H.S. Gaur University, Sagar, Central University, Food Engineering and Technology, you'll get. Again in the open category, female only, 80 to 420, you get Indian Institute of Carpet Technology, Bhadoi, Carpet and Textile Technology 4-year program. For EWS category, gender neutral, 15,245, National Institute of Food Technology Entrepreneurship, Kundli, NIFTEM, Food Technology Management is what you get. Then again, for female only, 13,258, EWS category rank, Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, Vadodara, you will get Maritime Engineering 4-year program. For OBC NCL, gender neutral, 34,579 rank, category rank, Institute of Engineering and Technology, Dr. H.S. Gaur University, Sagar, Food Engineering and Technology. OBC NCL, female only, 32,944, Indian Institute of Carpet Technology is what you get, Carpet and Textile Technology. For SC category, gender neutral, 15,757, you get Institute of Engineering and Technology, H.S. Gaur University, Food Engineering. For SC category, female only, 14,298, category rank, Indian Institute of Carpet Technology, Carpet and Textile Technology is what you get. For ST, gender neutral, 7,697 category rank, Institute of Engineering and Technology, H.S. Gaur University, Food Engineering. And female only, 6,466, National Institute of Advanced Manufacturing Technology, Ranchi, Production Engineering. So essentially, if you now notice, you essentially are dealing with this H.S. Gaur University being the least preferred in a sense because it's getting the highest thing. And similarly, NIFTEM also seems to be struggling across the board. And also, the carpet technology people also seem to be there. So between these three, you distributed almost most of the things, and that seems to be happening here. What we'll keep doing is we'll keep doing these kind of videos to help you understand the JOSA counseling process as you move along so that you can take the most informed decision based on information that is concrete, specific and correct. If you want me to cover anything else, please write to me in the message box here. If you want to talk to any of our counselors. There's a number out here. You can always, send a message and our counselors will call you up. And I must thank our university partner, University of Victoria, with which, along with whom we are actually partnering with a lot of universities, by the way, to ensure that the students are taking most informed decisions. And some of the very, very good universities are partnering with us to ensure that students are taking the right decision. And I must thank them for that also. Thank you so much, Naman.